A mother calls officers in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin about her extremely drunk son who's sitting in his truck armed with a shotgun. Officers respond to the scene and get ready to coerce the son into peacefully coming out. However, once officers arrive, things only escalate from there.
Why don't you stay on that side so you can maybe see him if you can from that corner of the house. Otherwise, you can come up with me. I'm going to use your squad and block off this roadway a little bit more. Riley, can you show us your hands? Show us your hands. Come out to the road, please. 6'2", I didn't see anything in his hands, but it looks like he's getting back in the truck.
Window is open for communications.
Riley, can you hit your horn if you can hear me? Riley, can you hear me? Riley, it's very important that you listen to what I'm saying, okay? We don't want you to get hurt, and we don't want to get hurt either. Riley, can you turn your phone on so I can give you a call? Riley, can you turn your phone on so we can call you? I don't want everybody else to hear what's going on here. Just turn your phone on so I can give you a call, okay, bud?
Sister's down the road says she's really good at calming them down. I have her phone number. Can I talk to her? She's willing to approach him.
Nope.
I told her no to.
Is she up here?
She's down the road by mom and brother.
Riley, once your phone's on, can you just beep your horn so I can hear you?
He has a long gun.
Yeah, mom said he walked out with a gun, so a long gun.
It was just a shotgun, right? It was just a shotgun.
He claimed that she's not familiar with guns, so she's not sure.
Riley, can you beep your horn so I know you can hear what I'm saying? Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Can you turn your phone on so I can give you a call? Riley, can you beep your horn so that I know your cell phone is on?
I think he's yelling something. I can't hear what he's saying.
Okay, maybe he's saying it's on. I'll try calling him quick.
Hello.
Riley.
Is not available. Please leave your message.
Riley, I'm trying to call you. Can you answer?
I said no. That's what it sounded like.
It sounded like he yelled no.
Hello?
Oh.
Hey, Riley.
No.
I know you don't want to talk, but I thank you for answering my phone call. I really do appreciate that, man.
It only took 20 times.
What's that?
Come out here.
Well,
Weather's fine.
do you have a gun?
Yes, I do.
We don't want to get hurt, and we don't want you to get hurt either.
I ain't gonna. I just want you guys to put me out of it.
No, we don't want to do that. You don't want us to do that either.
Then I guess we're gonna be sitting here forever. I got a full tank of gas. I'm almost out of my beer.
Okay, how much have you been drinking?
I at least got a 6-pack. Well, I'm on my 7th beer right now.
Okay.
I haven't left the premises.
Yep, you're right. So what's going on today? I know what happened yesterday, but what's going on today?
Don't give a fuck. Fucking Christ. Can you call Kirsten and tell her to leave me the fuck alone?
Is she calling you?
You guys got fucking like 5 damn cop cars in front of my house right now.
Right, because we don't want anyone else getting hurt. We don't want you getting hurt either, but
No one's getting hurt. Simple as that.
someone's getting hurt?
Yeah.
Why do we want to do that?
Cause
Riley, come on.
I'm sick of this damn world.
Riley, you have a lot of good things going for you,
I
man.
don't have shit.
You have a mom and...
Stop while you're ahead. Stop while you're ahead.
We wouldn't be here if we didn't care about you, man.
It's your job. There's a difference.
Can I tell you something?
No.
Okay.
Can you tell me something? No.
Okay.
I'm over this shit.
What kind of weapons do you have with you, man?
I have a 12-gauge shotgun.
Okay.
Fully loaded with a randomized selection. Some of them are slugs, some of them are bird shots, some of them are... It's all selection. So, it is what it is. I can tell you the first one is a slug. Because that's the one I remember putting in.
Okay, and how many rounds do you have in the gun?
That is for you not to know.
Okay, it's understandable.
Is that you standing there, though?
No, you can see someone
Yeah.
on the east or west side of your house.
Come on. You're standing right in front of the fucking thing. I can see you. Pull your gun out.
Okay, come
Don't
on.
pull the trigger.
Come on,
Pull it.
Riley, come over here.
What do you want?
Riley,
Pull the fucking trigger.
Riley, come over here, please.
You think I fucking care?
Riley, come over here.
Pull the fucking trigger, please.
We don't want to do that. Why would you do that to us? Do you have anything else in your hand besides your cell phone? What else do you have in your hand? Riley, what else do you have in your hand? Riley, can you hear me? Riley, can you hear me? He has a 12 gauge shotgun, fully loaded, and he has been drinking. Riley, can you hear me? 6-2, can you call the female half from the call from last night? Tell her to stop calling him. It's not helpful at all. Riley, he might have a beer in his hand. Riley, can you hear me? Riley, can you? Okay. Oh, okay. What do you got in your hand, man? Just beer?
He can see.
I know.
The guy with the fucking binoculars sees. I have a phone in one hand and a beer in the other.
And a beer in the other?
My gun is sitting in my passenger seat of my truck.
Do you have any other
And
weapon?
if you guys step any fucking closer, we are going to have some fun.
Okay.
That is the promise.
Well, we don't want to have fun, Riley. Okay, this is not fun for us.
It's fun to me. You know, I guess.
Riley,
It is what it is.
what can I?
You guys leave on your happy married way, or you're going to put a bullet through me.
We don't want to.
But that's how it's going to go. I'll tell you that for free.
Riley, you haven't hurt anyone else today.
No, I haven't
Right.
hurt a single person.
Can you just step away from your truck, bud?
No, I'm not in my driver's seat, actually. I'm sick of standing. We're going to sit here until the rest of my beer's finished.
How much beer do you got there?
I got about 5 beers left, so that could be for a while yet.
Riley, you sound defeated.
I sound defeated?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
You sound like you're in a place right now that you're struggling with.
I know how to get over it. I know how to get over it 100%. I ain't literally leaving here unless I'm in a body bag, so that is the cold honest truth. I can finish my beer and all that.
Riley, don't do that to your mom and dad.
I don't fucking care.
But you do, because your mom, when we got her out of the house, she was crying.
Yeah?
This is very sad and scary for her, too.
The one person that I dedicated all of my life to left me.
That's Kirsten?
Yep. I'm the bad guy out of everything. Doesn't matter.
You're not the bad guy, though, Riley.
Bullshit.
So you said you've been dealing with depression since you were 8 years old, right? And anxiety?
Since I was 8th grade.
8th grade. Or how did you get past those feelings for that long of time?
Have anger outbursts.
Anger outbursts?
Yep. I can't do with this right now.
Riley, how about step out of the truck and we can talk further? You want to do that? Riley? Someone's calling him. Can you do me a favor? Can you just hold this for a second? He has hung up on me.
I don't know.
So, the problem is everyone's trying to reach out to him right now and he keeps answering their phone calls. Hello, Riley?
Well, I'm sorry. My
What's up?
phone hooked to my head deck.
Oh, that's not a problem. I'm a straight shooter, okay, and I'll tell you the truth, okay? What's going to happen out of this is we're going to get you some help that you need.
I don't believe
Right.
a f***ing word. But just cause, you know how many times that when I was younger that I got told, oh, we just want to talk to you, and then I would get handcuffed and literally broken to jail?
Well, I can tell you the truth right now, Riley, you're not going to jail.
I'm not getting handcuffed.
Okay.
And I'm not getting put in a goddamn cop car.
Riley, it's easier for us to talk in person. Are you willing to come by that trailer at least so I can not have to talk to you on the phone?
Okay, you want to go halfway?
I'll meet you.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll meet you halfway. Right about it.
Is that your vape in your left hand? Is that what that is there?
That is a beer and a vape
Okay.
in one hand. Hands down. You want me to prove it?
I appreciate that, man. Thank you. What kind of beer is that?
It is a Coors Banquet because I like my full flavors.
Yeah. Can I walk towards you?
Yeah.
You don't have any other guns with you?
Hands down, I'll tell you this right now, though.
Yeah.
You're not putting me in cuffs.
No, you're right. I'm not.
You're not.
I know. I'm not. Can we walk to you?
Why is there a cop on my premises?
Riley, there's a couple cops here.
I'm dead serious. You guys, I literally will go to jail.
No, you're not going to jail.
Get that cop away from my truck then.
Riley, hold on, guys, hold on. Riley, come over here.
Just meet us here.
Riley, come over here. Get on the ground. Riley. Get on the ground now! Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased! Drop on the ground now! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground. Get on your knees right now. Get on the ground now! Get on the ground, Riley.
Go put your hands on the back, okay?
You guys lied.
Get on the ground!
You guys lied.
Get on the ground now!
What
You're
you
gonna get tased! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. On your back.
This is bullshit.
It's now over to the body cam footage of me.
I literally didn't do nothing.
Riley, we're gonna...
I didn't do nothing.
Hey, Riley.
You literally just tased me for no reason. I don't have a gun.
Riley, hey.
I don't have a gun.
Okay.
No, that's bullshit, dude.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna lean you on your left side. We're gonna stand you up, okay?
You guys are fucking liars.
Can you tuck your legs into yourself?
No, you guys are fucking liars.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Help you stand up.
Yeah, what was such a fucking issue? You guys lied to me.
Well,
You guys physically fucking lied to me. I understand why you shot me, because obviously you're just trying to do your job. Because you thought I had... Yeah, yes, please.
We just don't want to get back to the gun. And that wasn't any part of our plan when we were talking to you on the phone.
No, like, you guys want the gun? It's in my passenger seat. Fully loaded, go grab it.
You're fine. No, we just didn't want you getting back to it. The guy on the phone had no idea that this was going to happen. Okay, so he didn't lie to you.
Literally, you know what? Simple as this. You guys lied to me. No, you lied to me.
No, I didn't lie to you.
Yes, you did.
I couldn't even see that he was over there.
You guys had to lie to do your job? That's not to protect anyone.
Riley, I'm sorry you're feeling like this, man. I really am. Mom and sister here, do you want to talk to them or give them a hug?
Yeah, I would.
You do?
That was gnarly. I never thought it. You know, I've always wanted to get tased when I was younger. I didn't feel nothing.
Get on the ground!
Like, literally, when I say, like, my pain tolerance is so stupid high, when he tased me, I just stared at him, and then I just dropped, because it was like, well, I don't feel it, but, like, I couldn't move no muscles. Like,
That's what it does.
that was gnarly.
You know that sibling gut instinct, bud? I knew when I was passing cops on the way here, from picking up my car. Okay, it'll be okay. It will. We're just gonna have to work through this. Look at me, please. You're gonna have to do some things that you're not gonna want to do, but it's gonna be for your best interest.
I ain't going in. Doesn't matter. I got tased. That was cool. I got tased, John. That was gnarly. I'll tell you that. When you literally go f***ing off and just drop, holy shit.
All right, we'll take the cuffs off, and then what we'll do is we'll put them in front. Yep.
I
been in this car before.
The exact same car?
Yeah, weirdest thing.
I know. It's cleaner though. I cleaned it out today.
Officers were nice enough to allow Riley's mother to ride with him while he was transported for evaluation, where he was required by a court order to receive mental health treatment and maintain absolute sobriety. Court records indicate everyone deserves a mom and sister like his.